Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. Let's not forget to take some profits today, seeing how it is Friday. Whoops, we didn't want that to happen. Let's see here. Let's get rid of this stuff right over here. Got too many windows open now. As a reminder, we will Saturday. Sorry about me being a little disorganized here. As a reminder, Saturday, we still have our clinic available. That's tomorrow, Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. It will last about 3 hours. We'll have a little break in the middle. There will be a follow-up class, whatever the following Saturday is. I think the 3rd, and then another follow-up class the next Saturday after. So 2 follow-up classes after tomorrow. And that will be to go over the trades that you have taken and what you've learned from the rounded bottom breakout clinic. This is a very repeatable and profitable chart pattern. I've had some great success with it. I know a few other traders have had some great success with it. I've received their emails and they've shared some things, and I've shared some things back with everybody through some emails what they wrote. So tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. For those that have already signed up, I will be sending out a email later today with some instructions. And if you do not get it, please get a hold of me. I think I have everybody's name on it, but if you don't receive it today, please get a hold of me, and we'll get it squared away. Okay, let's look at today's stock picks. It'll be. I may send out 2 of them, Geo, and you are on there. I know for a fact you are. I should get one sent out about noon today, maybe, and then another one later this evening for any late arrivals that may be signing up. I'll get it sent out. Okay, let's see. Stock picks. MXWL. Okay, yeah. If you don't get it around noon, say if you don't get it by the close of market, definitely get with me. Okay. MXWL trending up very nice. For those of you that's still undecided about the rounded bottom breakout, this is a picture of one right here. There could have been terrific profits made on this. Right in here would have been the rounded bottom breakout. Let's come over here and just see. We'll just take it from right here. We'll go up to the most recent high over here. There's a 20% gain right there. Even if you took it from about right in here up to these highs, we'll just take this that high. Well, actually, what it does is it goes to the close. So there's almost a 10% gain right in there. The 200-day moving average is still the target. If you're a swing trader, you may still be holding on to this because it is still trending up. That's on the stock pick list today. STEM today. I see STEM maybe pulling back a little bit, little consolidation. Nice breakout yesterday. We want to stay long this if you're long. If you're looking to get long on strength today, I would look at it. LNet coming off the bottom here. Coming off the bottom, the T-line's moved up above the 20. We've got some good consolidation here. Nice little pop yesterday. We need to see the strength above the 50-day moving average. That's what I would look at. This is a little cheapy, not for everybody. Make sure that your volume is good on this. Be careful how many shares you buy. If it's too weak for you. But nice little pop yesterday. I think it's a nice chart pattern setting up. A little hint: if we get a close above the 50 it could be the starting of a rounded bottom breakout. Makes the 200-day moving average a target. EDU. EDU is a very nice chart. Nice gap up yesterday after some good consolidation. It's just been kind of hovering here and just kind of moseying right along at a real slow uptrend. Let's put a line on this. Let's just take it from this low and we'll run it right up here, and you can just see how that thing is. It keeps moving higher and higher, and it can't seem to get out of this top. Well, it broke out yesterday, and then boom, we're going to look for that 200-day moving average to be the target. That's a rounded bottom breakout again. I love those. SPWR. SPWR looks like we found some support on the 50-day moving average here. We'll draw a trend line on this here, and then we're going to draw another trend line. We're going to go from here right over here. We need to see this break out. What we do not want to see here is a sell signal up in this area. So as long as it can hold kind of a slow move above this trend line, and then we're looking for that breakout, and that should take us up to the 200-day moving average. And if you take a look at the weekly, you see the weekly, it may still have some room to move, getting to the 50 and then up into this area right here. FST, some of us went long on this yesterday. Some went long yesterday. I've been holding it. I added to it. I think yesterday was a nice day. We have a little doji gap up off of the 34 EMA and a nice little trend line right here. We closed up over the T line today. What we want to see is continued strength. This is a rounded bottom breakout. This was, let's see, back on, is there a date? On August 17th. Let's see, August 17th, right there on that candle. So if somebody bought this, what did I say on this candle right here? If somebody bought this and it went to that high and you sold it at that high, you would be up 19.5%. It looks like it's still moving up. If it makes the swing high up here, takes out this high, and then reaches the 200-day moving average, as that's always our directional target on this trade setup, then what are we looking at? 30%. So that'd be a 30% move up into here. You can't go wrong with this thing. JAG, J-A-G. J-A-G is setting up very nice. This is another rounded bottom breakout. Looks like it's headed to the 200. Nice little doji candle off the 50 after this little pullback. Nice little gap up, closed above the 20 and the T line. I would be long on strength on JAG. I apologize, there is not a feature stock pick today. Just didn't, be honest, just didn't get around to it. Got a little busy here this morning. Okay, what time is it? We have about, just right on time, about 6 minutes before the market opens. I'll be back in a few minutes, and we'll see what we can do today making some money. Remember, it's Friday. By the end of the week, we want to show some profits, so if you need to take some, take some. Protect what you have. Very important, protect what you have. Let's quickly look at the SPY. On the SPY, I see we're trading currently at 144.06. 144.06. So we're down. There we are. We're playing around yesterday's open. A couple of days ago, this red candle, we're playing around that open right in there. This is not a reversal signal here. This green candle. This is not a reversal pattern. It's like a little continuation pattern. It's just kind of meandering here. I had said Wednesday that I kind of expected a lower low before we get over the T line. So far, that's kind of working. Now, I know we don't have our lower low, but we're not over the T line yet. And if we see some weakness today, we could pop back below this low right in here. And this slow little drift down that we're having from the shooting star, this nice little drift, could end up back down in this area before it starts moving up. I had mentioned a couple of days ago that I still expect a couple of days of sloppy trading, and that's sloppy trading under the T line, and that's exactly what we have so far. And it looks like we're opening up this 144, say 144.05 right in there. And we could certainly gather some strength this morning and move up over the T line, but we need to close over the T line, and that would be an indication that our trend, short-term trend, may be starting to change. If you look at our line chart, we are still under the T line, but it is pointing up, but it needs to close above that T line right there. Okay, now I'm really going to say I'm out of here. Back in just a couple minutes, and we'll go from there. Thanks a lot for being here this morning. Appreciate it.